Okay, are we all ready to go to Nana's farm? This farm has lots of very special Australian animals like kangaroos and koalas. It also has other friendly baby animals that can't wait to play.
We're going driving, toot, 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 toot. We're going driving, toot, 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 toot. Jump in the back seat and buckle up. Look out the window, there's cars and trucks. Stop at the red light, go when it's green. Let's play I Spy, what can we see? We're going driving, toot, 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 toot. We're going driving, toot, 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 toot. We'll go in Mommy's car, toot, 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 toot. We'll go in Daddy's car, toot, 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 toot. We're going driving, toot, 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 toot. We stop at Nana's farm, so much to do. There's paddocks full of grass with big red kangaroos. Up in the gum trees, koalas eating leaves. Grandpa's got us ice creams, let's eat 'em up before we leave. We're going driving, toot, 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 toot. We're going driving, toot, 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 toot. We'll go in Mommy's car, toot, 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 toot. We'll go in Daddy's car, toot, 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 toot. We're going driving, toot, 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 toot. Red car, green car, yellow car, blue. Fast car, slow car, big and small too. It doesn't matter, old or new. The only thing it needs to do is go toot toot. We're going driving, toot 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 toot. We're going driving, toot 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 toot. We'll go in Mommy's car, toot 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 toot. We'll go in Daddy's car, toot 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 toot. We're going driving, toot 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 toot. Let's all sing along, toot 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 toot.
Nana's farm also grows yummy, yummy apples. Some apples are red and some are green, and they're all delicious. What's your favourite? I love slicing my apples into crunchy little moons. When I was just like you, my mum would make them into tiny bites, just like this. Let's turn on our animal TV. Oh, it's on. And meet some baby animals. Do you see the baby cow? Over there, yeah. A baby cow is called a calf. Can you say calf with me? Calf. And there's a baby horse. Wow, a baby horse is called a foal. Let's say foal together. Foal. I think that you might know this one. What's a baby sheep called? Yes, a lamb. Good morning, lambs. Let's say a sunny good morning to the lambs, to the foals and the calves. Good morning, lambs. Hello. Good morning, foals. And good morning, calves. Can we count them together? Should we count the lambs first to see how many there are? Okay. 1, 2, 3 lambs. And I can see 4 frolicking foals. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I can see 5 very calm calves. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look who's also here. It's Farmer MacDonald. Hello, Farmer MacDonald.
Hello.
There was a farmer farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh. G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh. 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 Oh, and Bingo was his name. Oh. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh. And Bingo was his name. Oh. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh. B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh.
Can you see the baby ducks? Oh, they're so cute. A baby duck is called a duckling. It looks to me like there might be just 5 little ducklings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Show me your 5 little ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And join in with me. Five little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but none of the 5 little ducks came back. Mother duck went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 and all of the 5 little ducks came back.
What's in the box?
I wonder what surprises we have in our special box today. Are you ready to find out? Are we ready? What do we say to open the box? We say open. Open. Okay, let's open it up and find out what could be inside. It's Camille the cow. Hi, Camille. Moo. I think that we could try spelling the word cow together. Do you think you could? Great. Follow along with me. C-O-W. Let's try that again. C-O-W. Do you think you could moo like a cow? You do? Okay, let's see if you can moo so long that Camille gets from one side of the screen all the way to the other. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Moo. You did it. Should we try again? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Moo. Great effort. Welcome to the Book Nook. Today we're reading I Went Walking. What animals do you think we'll meet in the book? I went walking. What did you see? I saw a black cat looking at me. I went walking. What did you see? Oh, what do you think it could be? I saw a brown horse looking at me. Neigh. I went walking. What did you see? Oh, what do you think this could be? I saw a red cow looking at me. Moo. I went walking. What did you see? What could this one be? Little green bottom up in the air? I saw a green duck looking at me. I went walking. What did you see? I saw a pink pig looking at me. Giving it a wash. I went walking. What did you see? What could that be? That looks familiar to me. Could it be? I saw a yellow dog looking at me, giving me a big lick across my face. I went walking. What did you see? What did he see? I saw a lot of animals following me. Off they go, following him along. What a beautiful story. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the farmer and 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little child who lived down the lane. Thank you, said the farmer, thank you, said the dame, thank you, said the little child who lived down the lane. I'm pretending to be a dog. Woof, woof, dig, dig, dig. Woof, woof, wag, wag, wag. Can you woof like a dog? Woof, woof, woof. I wonder how a big dog, like a Bernese mountain dog, might woof. Should we try to woof like a big dog? Yeah? Woof, woof. That sure did sound like a big, big dog. Now, how about a small dog, like a chihuahua? How might a small dog wolf? Should we try? Woof, 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 woof. Should we sound out the word dog together with our phoning fist? Yeah? Okay. Are you ready? D-O-G. Dog. Have you seen a dog before? Maybe you even have one at home. Let's look at some different types of dogs. That's a Cavalier. The long sausage dog is called a dachshund. The dogs with spots all over them, they're called Dalmatians. So many dogs. Count the dogs with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You counted to 6. Great job. Now, let's make a pattern with dogs and cats. Okay, are you ready? Dog, cat, dog, cat, dog, cat, dog, cat. You made a pattern. Well done, little learner. Before we say goodbye, let's play a game of I Spy. Teddy and I are going to play a game of I Spy. Would you like to join in? Great. Okay, I will go first. I spy with my little eye something beginning with, let me take a look around. C and the K sound. Can you find something that begins with the letter C and that K sound? Or maybe you could, Teddy. Looking. Sky! I spy sky. Does sky have the K sound, friends? Kai. No. Okay. It's sheep. Well, that's a good try. It is actually an animal that I spy. Do you know, friends? What can you see? Cow! It is cow. Great searching, Teddy, and great looking little learners. Okay, Teddy, I think it's your turn now. Okay. I spy with my little eye. I spy a flower. Teddy, you might not meant to tell us what you spy. You say beginning with the letter or the sound. Oh, okay. I spy with my little eye something beginning with B. B. Okay, thanks, Teddy. Can you see anything that begins with B, friends, or the B sound? Should we look around? Okay, let's take a look. Looking, searching for things with the B sound. Oh, I can't see a ball. Can you see a ball? Okay, I can't see any binoculars. B. B. Do you see something? Is it red? Is it the barn? Does barn have the B sound? What do you think, friends? It does? Okay. Teddy, is it the barn? It is! You got it! Bravo!
Yummy. I wanna eat fruit. Yummy fruit. Yummy fruit. An apple to munch. An apple to crunch. I wanna eat fruit. Yummy fruit. Grapes in a bunch. Grapes for my lunch. Scrum-diddly-umptious, diddle-diddly-umptious, eating up fruit all day. Apples to munch, grapes in a bunch. Now I'm ready to play. Scrum-diddly-umptious, diddle-diddly-umptious, Now I'm ready to play. I wanna eat fruit. Yummy, yummy, yummy fruit. Pineapple diced. Pineapple so nice. I wanna eat fruit. Yummy, yummy, yummy fruit. Strawberry slice. Strawberry bites. Scrum-diddly-umptious, diddle-diddly-umptious, eating that fruit all day. Apples too much, grapes in a bunch. Now I'm ready to play. Scrum-diddly-umptious, diddle-diddly-umptious, eating that fruit all day. Pineapples diced, strawberry bites. Now I'm ready to play. Pears, pomegranates, apples that are yellow, dragon fruit, oranges, red pomelo, watermelon, mango, strawberries, tangerine, finish with a mandarin.
Yummy.
I wanna eat fruit. Yummy, yummy, yummy fruit. I wanna eat fruit. Yummy, yummy, yummy fruit. I wanna eat fruit. Yummy, yummy, yummy fruit. I wanna eat fruit. Yummy, yummy, yummy fruit.
What an amazing adventure we've had on the farm. I'm Hattie May and I have loved learning and playing with you. I'll see you next time. Bye.